got baptized by a streetcar. So I bought these coilover shock mount kits from TRZ Motorsports. I didn't pay close enough attention to the directions, but they're actually for a Malibu, and they don't quite fit the Nova. I mean, they're close, but they don't fit. And the cross bolt pattern is a little bit different, not quite the same. So I'm going to try and trace this out, the design, and I'm going to try and have AJ make me some brackets, some custom brackets, because no one actually makes these for a Nova. And when I got this car, somebody had cut out the upper shock mount, and I think they were going to try and do a strut through there or something. I don't know what they were trying to do, but obviously they got halfway through it, quit, removed all the suspension, and then that's how I picked the car up. So I'm just trying to go back and figure out the best way of tackling this situation. We might have to do a custom shock mount kit. See, this is real close to fitting, but the holes don't line up. And by the time you put it back in there, the hole is too big to actually come out and weld anything to this tab. It's just going to be sitting here like that. So this is going to have to be a little bit longer, ½ an inch off. So I'll take a measurement, and I'm probably just going to do this same pattern, but it'll be a little bit longer in this area. So center is 6½ inches. That's the distance between these two bolts. So take this. Dick. So the other thing we got is this front end mounting kit from Tim McCamus Race Cars. Looks like a pretty nice kit. We're going to go ahead and take it apart. All tubing will need to be cut to fit. The 5/8 28-inch tubing will need to be bent slightly to joint with the front body panel.
Billy is quickly realizing he is incapable of doing this on his own.
Alright, so I think we decided that we're just going to run without a front end this year. That kit looks really, really complicated, and I don't know if I can do that, so I think we're just going to run it like this. Just completely open, engine, turbos out, getting all the air. I think that's probably what we'll do.
attempt is this?
What do you mean?
How many times have you welded it and...
This is the first time.
Oh.
This is originally how this was mounted on the car. I think the front end that was on this car was a little bit thicker material. So with this thinner front end, everything sits in farther and then the doors stick out. So I gotta move all these tabs a little bit outwards so that it lines up with the doors. So we're gonna start cutting and fabricating this kit from Tim McCamus. I've been practicing welding for like 2 weeks now. Well, no, actually not 2 weeks, probably about a week. And I feel confident enough I'm going to start putting this thing together. It's not the most important thing in the car. I'm not that crazy about how it's going to look. Like, I don't care if it looks rough. Like, it just needs to serve a purpose. As long as it's strong and it holds the front end up, that's all I care. I can redo it later. But right now I want to make some progress on this car, and I want to start learning so that I can do this shit myself. So we're going to start getting this front end ready.